review is, so default questions. What is the default input format in the Hadoop? The answer will be text input format. You have to remember this. And what is a default mapper? The answer for that one is identity mapper. What is the default sorting algorithm in the Hadoop? The answer will be quicksort. Okay, just I'm repeating again. What is the default input format is text input format. Default mapper will be identity mapper. Default sorting algorithm will be quicksort. And apart from that, few more questions will be, what is the default reducer? The answer will be identity reducer. What is the default output format? The answer will be text output format. Whenever you go with the text output format, what is the default output format separator? The answer will be tab. So these questions, if you clear about, then we'll use all these keywords when we are writing our word count problem. So the problem is, I'm just going to begin few more slides back. This is the problem. So I'll be going to give a text file, and this text file has to get an output like this. So for this, what is the general approach is, we will read the file line by line. That is the first step. Then whatever the line we got it, we'll split that line into a words. That is the second step. And whatever the words we got it, we'll assign a count to the each word. That is the one step. And once we done this one, so we'll write all this entire part in the mapper phase. Once that is completed, we'll get a list of way-tos. That is what this one. So once I got that one, we need to write a reducer logic. What reducer will take care is, we'll aggregate the list of values as a final sum. We'll assign it to the corresponding word. Let me write in the one note what map function has to do. The first step is, it will do it, read the file line by line. Second step is, split the line into words. Third step is, assign count 1 to each word. These are the three steps will be done by the mapper. And we have one more is reducer. What reducer will having is a reduce method. What this reduce method will be doing is, first step will be sum the list of values. Whatever the values are, we have to sum it. And what else will be do is assign sum to corresponding word, or else you can say key. This is what we have to do it. So this is the implementation we have to do it. For this, we need to take care of writing a word count job on Java class. Second one is word count mapper. There is one more class. Third one is word count reducer. So these are the three Java classes we have to implement as part of this solution. Okay, so I'll be going to start implementing it using the help of